going to have a look at the splash screen and what that actually does. So briefly, each time someone goes to the website for the first time, in other words, when they open their browser and they go to your website and go to the home page, whatever image you put into this splash screen will show up on the screen, and they just click somewhere and it'll disappear, and then they'll see the site as normal. Whilst they're navigating around the site and go back to the home page, they won't see it again. You only see it after the browser's been closed and then reopen and go to the home page. So it's basically the first time you go to the home page whilst you're using that browser. So we'll demonstrate how to set one up and use it and see what it looks like. So we go to plugins, of course, at our control panel, and you'll see splash screen there, and it's turned off at the moment, so I'm going to turn it on. And a couple of things that we've seen in previous ones, we've got a date here, so you can have an expiry date. I'll clear the date, and that means it'll keep showing basically forever. And if you do put a date in there, remember to click on set. You can put some text with it as well, so I'm just going to call it "This is my splash" for the sake of that. And of course you need to click on set to set that so it's recorded. Here's an image we've already got there. You can only have one image, by the way. You can't have a number of images, so we're going to edit that. And of course you can use either of the browse options to get the image that you want, and of course that's explained in another video. So there's our image. And now we need to see it in action, so I'm going to close this window completely, and I need to close the browser completely, otherwise it'll remember that we've been there. So we're closing the browser completely, getting rid of all these other windows I've got here for the sake of it. Going to the browser as we normally would. I'll just make it full screen, and we're going to the website that I'm using here, and there's our splash screen. It can be larger than that, it can be quite larger than the screen, which might be a bit annoying.